Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system option. As you can see right here on the 5th position, we've got reset options. So let's tap on it, and here at the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so simply enter. Right now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are ready, just tap on reset settings, and your device will ask you actually again because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset settings if you are ready, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.